Hello everybody. Today we're going to be reviewing the Milwaukee concrete drill bits. Now I know these are intended mostly for use on a hammer drill, but today we will be using it on a impact driver. And we will be drilling through some clay, cement brick, and a red concrete bit. We will be using these Milwaukee drill bits. Now let's get into it. Wow, I gotta say it did an amazing job. Very powerful on the speed 3 there. Very good. Can you guys see through that? Moving here on to the next brick. This is a red concrete brick, and we're still staying on speed 3. We still have 4 full batteries, full charge. As you guys can see, it does take a little longer to drill through the red concrete. It is heavier and stronger than the clay brick. Wow, I'm impressed. For our last and final test, we will be drilling through this cement brick. Now, the first one, the clay brick, it was really easy to drill into. Second one, red concrete, it was a little bit harder, I'm not gonna lie. Took a little longer, but it's much tougher material. Now let's see how this does against the concrete cement brick. I'm sorry. Let's go. Wow, this cement is very tough to get through, but I gotta give it up. These drill bits are very strong. Now, these are the new Milwaukee drill bits. They're supposed to be used with a hammer drill, but I mean, like I said, I do want to review these tools with this impact driver. Still very sharp. I don't know if you can see that, but after those 3, it did take up 1 bar of battery. So overall, I mean, it did very good. I mean, we are talking about the Gem 3 impact driver. It's just a total absolute beast. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.